Unlocking probabilities with must and can't. Hello, language explorers. Today we are diving into an exciting aspect of English language learning: modal verbs for possibility and probability. Specifically, we'll focus on how to use must and can't to express probability. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. First and foremost, let's take a quick recap on what modal verbs are. Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary verb, often used to indicate modality. That is, likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, and obligation. Some examples include can, could, may, might, should, would, will, and of course, must and can't. Now, let's take a closer look at our first modal verb for today, must. When we use must in a sentence, we are usually talking about a strong possibility or a logical deduction. For example, she must be at the library. This sentence suggests that you believe it is very likely that she is at the library. It must be raining. In this case, perhaps you see people coming inside with wet umbrellas and coats, so you deduce that it's probably raining. Remember, must does not confirm 100% certainty, but it's pretty close. On the other hand, can't is used to express impossibility or a conclusion that something is not probable. For instance, he can't be at the concert. Here, you believe that it is very unlikely that he is at the concert. It can't be snowing. Maybe you're living in a tropical country and it's the middle of summer. Hence, you conclude that it's impossible for it to be snowing. Note that can't indicates a high degree of improbability, but like must, it doesn't offer 100% certainty. Now, let's practice what we've learned. Try to create your own sentences using must and can't to express probability. Remember, it's all about understanding the context and making logical deductions or assumptions. That's it for today's lesson on must and can't for expressing probabilities. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how these modal verbs can enhance your English language proficiency. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next English adventure.